I like zoos that mimic the natural environment of the animal. Look at those mountain lions. So peaceful, so deadly. They're looking at me like breakfast. This is the real world. I'm probably dead by now. Here, kitty, 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 kitty. Look, there's a beaver out there. The real beaver. And I can't even see it. Somewhere out there is a beaver. Beaver, where are you? So it's can hear wolves. Probably. Look at the wolves.